Remove unwanted parts from strings in a column. I am looking for an efficient way to remove unwanted parts from strings in a dataframe column. Data looks like. I need to trim these data too. I tried .str.filstrip plus and str.restrip awk, but got an error. Any pointers would be greatly appreciated.
How do I remove unwanted parts from strings in a column? 6 years after the original question was posted, Pandas now has a good number of vectorized string functions that can succinctly perform these string manipulation operations. This answer will explore some of these string functions, suggest faster alternatives, and go into a timings comparison at the end. .str.replace. Specify the substring /pattern to match, and the substring to replace it with. If you need the result converted to an integer, you can use series.astype. If you don't want to modify df in place, use dataframe.assign. .str.extract. Useful for extracting the substrings you want to keep. With extract, it is necessary to specify at least one capture group. Expand equals false will return a series with the captured items from the first capture group. .str.split and .str.get. Splitting works assuming all your strings follow this consistent structure. Do not recommend if you are looking for a general solution. If you are satisfied with the succinct and readable str accessor-based solutions above, you can stop here. However, if you are interested in faster, more performant alternatives, keep reading. Optimizing list comprehensions. In some circumstances, list comprehension should be favored over pandas string functions. The reason is because string functions are inherently hard to vectorize, in the true sense of the word, so most string and regex functions are only wrappers around loops with more overhead. My write-up, are for loops in pandas really bad? When should I care? Goes into greater detail. The str.replace option can be rewritten using re.sub. The str.extract example can be rewritten using a list comprehension with re.search. If nans or no matches are a possibility, you will need to rewrite the above to include some error checking. I do this using a function. We can also rewrite at Umiro's and at monkeybutter's answers using list comprehensions. And same rules for handling nans, etc. apply. Performance comparison. Graphs generated using puffplot. Full code listing, for your reference. The relevant functions are listed below. Some of these comparisons are unfair because they take advantage of the structure of ops data, but take from it what you will. One thing to note is that every list comprehension function is either faster or comparable than its equivalent pandas variant. Functions. I'd use the pandas replace function, very simple and powerful as you can use regex. Below I'm using the regex \d to remove any non-digit characters, but obviously you could get quite creative with regex.
In the particular case where you know the number of positions that you want to remove from the data frame column, you can use string indexing inside a lambda function to get rid of that parts. Last character. First two characters.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.